Okay, sige. Baka nita mo maging fair tamo, ne? At this point, pakit tayo itang statement na ning SFELAPCO bayo ke na ni Attorney Jet. So, o ining statement na po ning SFELAPCO, basan kaya mo po, to be fair po, ne? While we were greatly surprised by the recent decision of the Energy Regulatory Commission as regards our motion for reconsideration, we fully respect it. Since our official mandate is to distribute power to our consumers in our respective franchise area, the generation cost that we collect as a pass-through charge from our customers all goes to the power producers. With all due respect to ERC, we believe that the Commission misappreciated the fact of the case, and hence, we will seek available remedies accorded to us by law. On our part, we will remain steadfast in assuring each of our consumers with quality service at all times. Thank you. Yan po yung buong statement na pepalwal na po ning SFELAPCO. Imburi kong ikutang ining pakibat ay ni nano ing ababasa mo. Ako personally, ako lawyer, ne, pero bala mo, uli nga subaybayan kay ing kaso at balo ko rin sektoral lang po pang other information, binasa aking ERC. Bala mo yung ngakakuha ko, Kenny. Alalang balak mamayad, ne. Tupad ketang order, ne. Pwede ba ita? Kasi ketang desisyon, ana. At ketang kembatas, ing malino ka na ako, nung alayang stay order, executory na ini. Diba? In decision ay ini.
Pwede na pong itupad, iting kutang. Pwede na pong itupad.
Okay.
At the risk of the sanctions that ARC may impose upon them or actions of ERC against them, such as the filing of criminal action. Because number one, ila po may penalty lang 21 million for violation of the guidelines. So at keng ipira loita na aside from the administrative liability, criminal charges may be filed against them. Kaya yung ERC ta mismo papamayaran ng 21 million. Now, what about the other part of the decisions and order na papag-refund dala? Ito pong refund are immediately executory. Ela po, while the decision may not be final, yet, sinabi ko na yung kantete, usually naramdaman tayong decision sa benda, final and executory. Pero hindi, final pero executory. Unless manikwala pong stay order from the commission or manikwalang TRO or injunction from higher court.
Pag sinabing higher court,
Generally po, yung rules of court under Rule 43 that decisions of judgment or final orders ng ERC are appealable by way of petition for review kay Court of Appeals. So, Chupo Karela, actually karin tayo po akit nung ketang Karela kapila.
Pinasasabihan ng attorney, ay Senator Tulfo yan.
Akit tayo
Court of Appeals, kayo ba mutako pang Supreme Court? Ana, makanya.
Yapin. Magkapilala po nung kay ba't makatila po makatay the application for injunction to stay the order of refund, na implementation of refund. So ita po, talagang there are remedies provided to them by the rules of court and the law. Ano yung issue pin, siyempre, it's more than legal siguro, ne? At this time, kumbaga, may affirm niya itang initial order na ng ARC, and then through the order, and ERC, mind you, these are quasi-judicial bodies with expertise on the matters. Jurisprudence are replete, o dakala po yung jurisprudence na sabihan that even the higher courts or even the Supreme Court differ to the decisions of technical bodies or agencies because they have the expertise. Pero syempre, the Supreme Court can always modify, affirm, or even reverse the decision of these bodies such as ERC. So ito pong, but let us also watch ERC because general they have 15 days in SFELAPCO, they have 15 days to file the petition for review or appeal. So nung after that, maliwanag, labisang mag-refund kasi magpilala po. So yung ERC kanyan, yung kaya mong just like yung gagawa ng mayor.
Mabanten eh. Ay, kapaka. Ikit ko, kay ba't na ning ERC decision, may press conference siya, Mayora. Bala, binta ko ata ka Senator Tulfo na hapon.
Well, number one, of course, we continuously express our gratitude for their support. And of course, this development, positive development, kasi man copy furnace ketang order, so kita pong sulat tangay ni kinapi furnace tala ketang desisyon. Kita namang support na ning daring senators concern, at yun naman po at yun. In fact, yung Senator Gatchalian during the committee hearing, talagang magpasalamat siya kang mayor, willing for bringing this matter to our attention. Wala pong basta-bastang LGU na nagdadala ng ganyang balita sa amin. Salamat po na pinaalam niyo sa amin to. Hanap po Senator Gatchalian kang Mayor B. So I'm sure interested na kening outcome na nini.
Ano yung general sentiment, karen sectors, karen memalen, makasadyala bang sabihan mo na mag-organize kimutan, nanti mo mag-rally, protesta para maramdam la keng mag-apilala keng SFELAPCO, itang diretsyo na la keng SFELAPCO, mga kasi manaliwan tao rin SFELAPCO eh. Tao la San Fernando, sabi dapin, institution, malapit na larugong magdinala na banway eh. Di ba? So, siguro naman makiramdam la ka rin kaya duwa na ng pong sentimiento da rin memalen.
Rening sectoral group na magrepresenta na apektado taga na kaya pamagtas na ning kuryente. At kareta may alabasan nildo, balo mo, Chison, emuretang business sector at ating emo naman chismis ating medong nga parokya piya ang bagande guling mitas sing presyo ning kuryente piya ang bagande de balo makanano de ang patanitang problema dang makapamayad la uling taga ng mitas.
And in fact, karetang balita tamo, like for example, when we announce or when we publish the press statement of SFELAPCO, kasi di ba itang nandun binasa tayo kabalen, ikitiya po na we were shocked by the decision kay then may mag-comment surprise then may comment kami rin po may surprise kami king electric bill me malambat na kayo pong masu-surprise kayo baka na ring sentiments na ring memalen and these are real people na tao la San Fernando ning kay paralado pa puro kaya katamo rin karelang electric bill kumparade kalupit ang giwayo naman attorney kumparade tang hindi po yung bakanini na bakanya na ning konsumo mi naman mitatas at mitatasin babayaran so akin mo the general
so you are also for example in the news desk you are also doing what we call social listening.
Yes, of course.
In your social listening mas marakal la retang
ala ko pa nga tatandanan or ala ko pang abasa kareng egan-agan ng comments na mag-defend or sasabing okay mga gawan na ning pamagtas ng SFELAPCO kasi baka niyan talaga may tatas ngan makwal taya, dimutyakin biye, pare-pareho la po sasabihan talagang kababayat nan la at dapat hindi nan paliwanag ining malalari ngayon.
Siyempre, itang kaya katamo, lingitan social listening, imboriko mo bala mo, i-gauge in sentimiento da rin memalen. Aliwa yung sentimiento ng Mayor V, aliwa yung sentimiento ng Attorney Jet. Kasi gagawan tayo ining programa ngayon para akit tamo retang miyayaliwang players retang lalo na rin apektado retang pinaka-apektado ilang burita mo uling ilamo naman ding constituency tamo rin ilamo naman ning Manalbe kaya katamo po pang makiramdam kaya katamo so atin lang sasabihan na timeline o alak
atin actually binanggit ning mayorita kasi yung oras na magpa-press con siyempre, balo tamo, babantin tayo talaga yung interested na refer na din. No? May tatamo ka rin, baka live tamo. And the good mayor said na atin na pong magpaywatig sectors na ready na pong magmarcha, magdala ng placards, to really assert this decision and to really demand SFELAPCO na akwadala retang refund na amanwanda covered by the time na stipulated ketang decision.
Attorney Jet, would you like to bayo tamo magsara ating kamburing in behalf of Mayor V or even kaya sarili mo ating kabamburing ipaabot keng SFELAPCO for example nung makiramdam la kaya katamo Nano yan mo itang appeal ng Mayor V. Carela?
I think the sentiment of Mayor B is very much known to everybody, as well as her intention. Eh. Yan ang mismo sinabi na yung laban na yun, iniatrasan. So, nung itamo pong memalen, medyo mga kainipan tamo, we should take comfort and inspiration ng Mayor Tampo, po mainip. Lalaban niya. Well, mainip kasi, siyempre, at yung proseso, naman po kasi pwedeng alandala ng proseso, otherwise, atin namang certain rights ma-violate. So, ini po, dadalan tayong proseso, Mayor B, respetuhan yung proseso, and in the meantime, along the process, magwagita po. Magwagi yung memalen San Fernando kayong issue nga ini. Magtyaga tamo mo po. Pauling nung talagang kaya katamo dati nga do may balik rin po kaya katamo. I have no personal comment on this because sabi ko kaya tapang very, very beginning. Talagang matas ako as a memalen San Fernando, matas yung respeto ko karang lasatin. Being one of the ala ka nga sabi Carela, highly respected. So it so happened that the issue, while there may not be personal issues against them, you cannot separate the fact that they own the company. Espelapo is owned by the Lasatin, a certain percentage or right.
Not entirely, pero oo.
So at this time, whatever favorable opinion the people of San Fernando may have had again for them, medyo ining issue ay ni kaya po Carela. It's a reflection of, this is a test to them. This is a test.
Matindi yan test yun eh. Wow.
Itang Carelang pangala sa atin. Alakang dandaman naman di ba? Ako po bilang for many years, uli nga po, there was a time I was neighbors to them, ketang Consongi Street. Basta retang bali mga ragul ka rin, kakaibig.
So you're hoping against hope na they will heed the call of the Fernandinos?
Against 2.5 billion pesos. That's a lot of money for them to... As a lawyer, I cannot separate the fact that they may avail of the remedies provided to them by law. Which is not, which is naman fair po ito. Because due process is really a process. Sometimes taxing one's patience, dampang minsan yung lalaban mo, wala na, but still part of due process.
Pero as a lawyer also, you believe in paralegal, metalegal, and other forms na pwede lang mag-resort ding memalen to demand justice due them.
Yes, because we have our right to redress our grievances, di ba? So, at yun na po kami memalen nito. If they find a similar cause to this cause that Mayor B is presenting and fighting for, I'm sure makyabela po kayo sabihin na yun. Talagang dati naman issue ini, sabi tayo magdatang yung bill, bayaran tayo, takdang oras. Sumataragong mabot ka 2 bulan, gagawa ka paraan para kakapututan. Nung makayan pa rin yung attitude na rin tao sa San Fernando na sasabihin, dala mo rin malyari, then I think you should write the mayor. Sabihin nyo po, tok nang kung paniwalan nyo po na alam mo rin malyari kayo. But this is actually a fight of Mayor B in their personal capacity and also as consumer. At the same time, to protect the constituents. If I may just say so, po kaso nga rin at personal expense nila. And I see the billing of the private lawyers. Mga ragul po yung gagastos sana. Nung yan po, mamatras. Kaya na kayo mo pong gulot.
Wapin. Nakala salamat. Very well said. And thank you for coming over. Thank you so much, Attorney Jet. And syempre, thank you kaya kayong adwa Dakala salamat po king kaya kayong pamagtutok ken bawalin chismis sa bayan nyo kami karen tutukita mo pang pamagsuri at pamaglino kareng mani mo ng balita king Labuad Kapampangan at syempre Ketid Central Luzon nung rin dakal na rin Kapampangan na makiramdam kaya katamo. Of course, worldwide, ne? Pasibayo, aking kaya kayong Talasuyo, Sonia P. Soto, atin pusong makabalet. Dakala salamat po.